Hey there, this is Sajal here. Welcome to my Continuum review. Today I'm going to review Continuum, and I will talk about full details about this software. So let's get started. First, before I'm going to full review, let's talk about my bonus. When you pick this from my link below, you will get awesome bonuses from me. So let's see some of my bonuses here. My first bonus is Stealth, Access Stealth Advanced Training, and my second bonus is Gemini. Get tons of free, tons of tools by Access Gemini Pro, including license right. Gemini was a recent launch, successful launch, and sold over 5,000 units. And this is a one-time email marketing solution that will help you a lot. And my third bonus is get Jonas branding hacks. Probably you know that who is John Armstrong. John Armstrong is a Warrior Plus top vendor affiliate, and he is making almost $300k plus per month. And my fourth bonus is Eclipse. Access Eclipse training for first 24 hours only. And my last bonuses is all vendor bonuses that provide me by vendors. And simply click any of the orange button, and when you click the orange button you will see this page, which is look like this. And you can see here sales video here. And if you click get instant access now button, you will see purchase now by a button here. So let's talk about Continuum. So what is Continuum? Continuum is basically a system what is used John Armstrong at making per month $200k. This is actually two combo product. One is training and one more is software. So this software will help you 99% DFI system that making $400k, $1,400 per day from automated software and DFI offers and push button traffic. And you can see this when you have time, or just copying into wealth marketers. So normally all of marketers promoting low ticket product, but this software will help you to promote high ticket offer and making high ticket commission per sale, and that will help you also generate real buyers traffic on demand. We can see here the result from making this funnel. You can see also here a demo video how to use this software and training. You can see lots of testimonial here. Here is John Armstrong. 2 things to take maximize your profile. You can visit your own time sales page. So let's see what inside of this course. This is basically training program how you can use this software and implement making full setup. Here you can access from software to software, and there is also traffic training and how to use this software. This is also more back as bonus. So let's see what inside in software. When you purchase this product, and you will get login access from the Continuum, and After login you will see look like this, and click on create auto webinar. You can set up pre-recorded auto webinar, and John Armstrong already clear all things how we can set up this software. Here also provided this full training here. Okay, this is loading. Let's again talk about if you want these those bonuses right now, please click on the link below and you can see here bonus details, and click any of the yellow button, orange button, and go to this page. Pick this up and you will get instantly deliver your bonus to your email. So let's talk about upsells. This is a front-end product, cost you $17, and for $17 you will get access the powerful Continuum software and training modules. And upsell number 1 is Continuum Pro Edition, that will cost you for $47. In this upsell you will get Pro Stacks the value, so you can expect epic conversion here. And upsell number 2 will be Continuum DFY 5X, that will cost you $97. This second upgrade gives you 5 extra pre-made webinar promoting top converting offer, and perfect for you that would prefer not to do any work themselves and still make serious profits. The webinar software also get an upgrade here with powerful content directory feature that helps get user more exposure to your own webinar. Then option number 3, Ultimate Affiliate Bundle, that will cost you $197. You will get full front-end access and all Junos 2020 products, the logged-out formula, Insurgency, Gemini, JavaScript Commission Bot, Vanquish, plus front-end access to all his future release, and a bump commission through the funnel when you promote any of John's future product. This is a monster value that you enjoy instantly and can recap affiliate profit for a year to come. And option number 4 is multi-license right to four top selling products, that will cost you $197. You will get reseller and developer rights to Insurgency, Gemini, JavaScript Commission Bot, and Vanquish. With dual rights, you are essentially getting your own turnkey digital business to make product handle profit without creating things. Here is some key elements of this product: real automated traffic on demand, real high ticket commission from 100% DFY offer, real done for you sales automation 247, real built-in scaling. And most important thing is that you will get also 13 days money back guarantee, no question asked. You can, if you didn't happy with this product and make any commission after implementing those method, then you can ask money back within 13 days. So if you have any questions about this product, how to use this, and how to get those bonuses, please comment here. I will reply you, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.